Chad here with Midlife Classic Cars. I'm talking about the How to Rebuild Ford Power Stroke Diesel Engine. I saw the mess out of this book. Personally, I drive a Chevy, not a Ford, but I've read a chunk of this book, gone through it. It's really good. It's with the factory shop manual in this book is really all you need for rebuilding a Power Stroke. Honestly, I mean, this guy goes pretty far in depth, and he's just not about bolt-ons and stuff like that. He actually gets into down and dirty rebuild, all the way down to the block and pistons, breaking the engine down, removal and disassembly, let's say cylinder heads, engine reassembly. I mean, it's like having a mechanic that's done it over and over again to teach you all the tips and tricks. Really recommend this. I think I've sold hundreds of copies of this particular book. You can find it at midlifeclassiccars.com. I'll put the link below. You can connect with Midlife Classic Cars on social. All the links will be below in the description. Also, just to let you know, all books shipped through Midlife Classic Cars are shipped in boxes. This is our box for inside the United States, and all the books that go inside this box are wrapped in plastic and come with a free sticker. All of our books that are shipped outside of the United States are shipped with a U.S. Global Priority box. We don't ship ever in envelopes. Your books will only come from us in a box. Have a great day.